Hi guys, and welcome back to Beverly's Design Time. Today I'm back to show you another Dollar Tree haul. I didn't purchase a whole lot of items, but I did purchase something that I'm really excited about. First off, I purchased some more of these floral foams. And there's 3. I think I might have one more pack. I've been eyeballing these for quite a while. These are just some of the square coasters that they carry, and they have them in different designs. I picked these with the wine on it, but I'm going to change those guys. So these will be used in a DIY. I picked up some of these beaded necklaces, and there's 8 necklaces in each pack. You get 4 silver and you get 4 gold. And I'll be using these in a DIY as well. And I picked up 2 packs of these. Alright. This is what I'm excited about, so I'm going to save this for last. Here's the other set of foam rounds that I talked about. I also found these So Natural fruits, and I picked up a pack of apple. These are the strawberry ones, and I picked up some peach. And as you can see, I've already opened the strawberry ones just to see what they look like and how they taste. Let me show you guys. These are whole freeze-dried strawberries. It's pretty good. It says no preservatives, and these are gluten-free. I would definitely recommend these. Okay guys, so you know it's barbecue season, so naturally I picked up a barbecue mitt. I think I'm gonna go back and pick up one more. And I picked up a matching towel. These are really cute. Oh, and look what I found, some silver bling. I actually went to 2 different Dollar Tree stores, and I was able to find some in both stores. But I only picked up a few, so I have this one. This one has 3 rows of bling, and I have the other ones in another bag, and I'll show you those in a minute. I also found these light up roses, and it says that they have the color changing effect. So we're gonna try these out before we end this video. So yeah, I was excited about these. They had them in red and I think pink too, but I went with white. I only found this 1 pack of cocoa and shea butter treatment masks. As you can see, the box has gone through the ringer, but the packaging on the inside is still intact. So I'm gonna try these out and let you guys know how I feel about them. Moving right along. I think this is like a little bracelet or a jewelry type tray, and there's an elephant on it with the trunk up. And when I saw these, I was like, okay, I could definitely do something with those. I purchased 2, and the other one is still wrapped up in here. They also had a feather, and I think they had an angel too. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using these in a DIY, so stay tuned. Oh, and I grabbed another pack of the Dollar Tree scissors and this cuticle cutter, so I'll let you guys know how this works as well. And I picked up this nail art stencil. My daughter Heather does nails, so I'm going to actually have her to do mine pretty soon, and I thought I'd give these a try. Yeah, they have like little arrows. There's like a scallop design, and it also has a star design, and that would work out perfect for the 4th of July. So we have those. Here's the other bling that I found. This one has 5 rows. Another one with 5 rows. And here's another one with 3 rows. Now the ones with 3 rows are 9 feet long. The ones with 5 rows are 6 feet long. I was so happy to find this because I was actually going to go over to Walmart to find one of these. And this is a cell phone holder. They recently passed a law here in Georgia that you cannot hold your cell phone while you're driving. So I was happy to find this for $1 Dollar Tree. They also have these in white. And I also found this aluminum cup, and that's how it looks on the inside. So it should preserve your beverage. If you have hot or cold, it should maintain that temperature. Okay guys, so this item is new. I've never seen these there before. The mosquitoes are already out in Georgia. I was out the other day spray painting, and I noticed a few of them flying around out there. So I'm going to give this a try, and I hope it works. They have these in several different colors. I grabbed black because black is one of my favorite colors. I also purchased 4 of these combination lock chains for DIY. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I won't be using the locks on the DIY, but you guys will see what I do with it soon. And I have this organizer basket, and I really need it too, so I'm going to check another store and see if I can find a second one. So I'll be using these in the DIY as well. And finally, these are what I'm really excited about. These have the tiny little color changing lights. I recently purchased one on eBay, I think for about $5, so now I'm able to find this one for $1, and it comes with these little acrylic gems. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. I purchased two. I wanted to really just go all out and purchase all that they had, but I just wanted to try them out and see how they work first. I'm definitely going to be using these in a DIY soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah guys, that's it for my haul. Leave a comment below on your favorite item from this haul. It's not one of my bigger hauls, but I've been getting feedback that you guys would like to see me do more of the Dollar Tree hauls because I shop there almost every day. And I just haven't been doing the hauls, but I will start showing you guys more of the haul if you'd like to see that. So yeah. Stay tuned for more, guys. I have another DIY video coming up soon. Let me know how you guys feel about this haul. If you've used any of this stuff, let me know. Alright guys, so that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.